but that deep, right?
Yeah.
So all the electronics were also on the same level as the transformer, right? They were all in the same plate.
Now
But Torus asked us that can we shrink it because of some of the customers didn't have enough room for the racks. So what we did, we moved the electronics from here, put it on the top plate.
Yes.
So we put the transformer and controller part down there.
You have a metal here for this, yeah.
Yeah, this is just a mounting plate to hold the electronics in, and at the same time it acts as a heat sink for the transformer.
Yeah. This needs any more extra?
No.
No, it's
that's
finished.
Needs extra what? Sorry?
Like electronics?
Plus.
No, this model, they have multiple models, right?
No.
Yeah.
This one is not a AVR model. This is a
voltage regulation.
Voltage.
So this is a
regular
RM series model. So this is a finished model.
And you have your sticker in every. I mean,
well, every part has a sticker, and all these dots. Every dot means something.
Yeah.
I mean that been tested, double tested, high potted, QC'd.
the best seller.
Not really. I think the best seller would be an RM20 or an AVR20 would be our best selling model. This is the beginning. So you can see they start to.
They are very cute.
Yeah, that's a voltage regulation unit in the small design, in this size design.
This is the baby version of that.
Of the big one.
See? This is the smaller 5 amp, 10 amp. But I've been lucky to
Be around since the beginning of Torus Power, yeah.
Top series.
See, these Torus models,
These are European models, I think.
European models, and they're being built by the best of the best. I mean, these operators that you see
Are
here,
the cream.
they're just cream of the crop, right?
Yeah, they have
Mistaken,
experience.
these are all going to be in Switzerland. Actually, you can
Bella,
tell by it.
how you doing, Bella? These are European models you're
Yeah.
building?
These are Schuko.
Suco models.
I don't know. James, are the Schuko yet?
The back
The
panels
output,
on.
yeah.
Everyone. Suco.
I think these are scheduled to go out next week to Switzerland.
Okay. Big. Which model is this? Takes a lot of time to.
It takes a lot of time.
All these plugs.
Yeah.
I know.
Lot of time, a lot of testing.
A lot of love
A lot of love.
because you have to love this thing.
Yes. I don't know. I have to ask them again whether they love what they do. But by what they provide is they really pay attention to what they work.
All right. Oh.
I mean, it's a Gilbert spend most of his time here. So.
Yeah.
Okay.
By the way, she's my boss as well.
Ah, you're. How many kilos is this?
I'm sorry.
How many kilos is the
How many kilos?
transformer?
These two gentlemen are working here so quietly and politely because she's standing there watching them. You see, all the testing is done, the report is written.
This is top series.
Yeah.